Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. He drew the batsman into playing that shot and it took the edge. Smart piece of bowling. Oh, that's close. It's a huge appeal. That is a very good shout and they're going to review it.
Checking for a no ball. Fair delivery. No problem.
Yeah, definite spike. Definite mark on the bat.
He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? Unable to break free. Missed that completely. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. It's nicely timed. Will only get one though. He's calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Missed that completely. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Plays and misses. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets. The field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those easy singles. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. That's gone high in the air. And that's gonna clear the boundary for 6. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery. Fielder placed at point. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. Pacer introduced from the other end. Slips in place. Straight up in the air, and that's a 6. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. Missed that completely. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. That's a no ball and the batsman gets a free hit. Overstepping on the last one, and that will be a free hit. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Can he do it again? Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Plays and misses. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Change in the bowling. Pacer being brought back. What a match this has been. It's a jam-packed stadium here today, witnessing an edge of the seat thriller here. That is 6. That is just magnificent batting. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Great shot! He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. And he helps himself to a 6. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Trying to up the run rate there. A very loose shot in the end. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That is a very quick single taken. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Oh, that must have really hurt. And that's it. A brilliant performance from the bowlers. They've bowled good lines all day.
Let's go.